GorillaMaker.com. Shelly's our technician girl, and she's going to show us how to load the model in matter control. I got it right.
Okay, once you open up matter control, you want to click on the add button at the bottom left corner. And then you're going to go and find your STL file. Double click it and you'll notice that it pops up right here in matter control. Now we're going to check your settings to make sure that they match the settings of your printer. Our current GM 3D500 printer has a 0.8 nozzle, so we're going to come over here to settings and control, and we're going to make sure that this says we're using PLA, we're using a 0.8 nozzle, and we're only using it on one color, so we're going to pick the PLA 0.8 single color. Once we do that, we're going to come all the way up here to the top where it says layer view, and then we're going to come down to the bottom where it says generate, and we're going to have it generate the code for us so that we can see the model in 3D. We can also tell you what time, how much time it's going to take, how much filament it's going to use. And then you can rotate this as well so that you can see the different layers to make sure that it's going to print how you want it to print. So you just scroll it up on the side there, all the way to the top, and scroll into your model, and you can see layer by layer how that's going to look on your printer. If you decide to change the nozzle out on your printer, make sure that you change this material. So for instance, if we wanted to go down to a 0.4, we would pick the PLA 0.4 single color.
So if you change your material to a 0.4 and you've been printing with a 0.8 nozzle, obviously you have to go back to your GM 3D500 and change the nozzle to a 0.4.
Then make sure that your settings in matter control match the nozzle size that's in your printer, PLA 0.4. We'll go back up here to layer view and then click on generate down at the bottom left. And it will regenerate the model according to a 0.4 nozzle. So you'll notice up in the upper right, we went from 9 minutes to 26 minutes. With a 0.4 nozzle, it will take longer for it to print.
So let's switch it back to our 0.8 and generate this, and let's go printing.
We're on layer, so we're going to say generate. Make sure it's back on 9 minutes. And then we're going to do an export. So you want to click on back.
Where is it?
Right here, we're going to click on the word back. And then we're going to click on the word export. You want to export as a GCode, and you're going to save it to your desktop. And as soon as that up there says ready to print, then you know you are done exporting it, and you can save it to your SD card and then put it in your 3D printer.
Thank you for viewing this video. Have a great one.